the hymnal, and it's essentially, a lot of songs that were written during the Trail of Tears, or it was just people that were inspired to sing songs of praise. And so this song, or hymnal, page 53, it's called "Give Me Christ or Else I Die," and in the verses, how many verses you want to do? Like one or two?
Do I mean 2 or 3?
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna wing it. Okay. Well, at this time, I appreciate the opportunity to give this song to you. Do you want to play it? Slow down. Tale hole so me chana nase yak nila pa asha yo me kano esa magba noche anelawa Christ pano sa bahanashke Christ Thank you.